Today is a special day because I will tell you about a book that can change your perception of consciousness and the ability to influence your own reality. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore interesting and enlightening books that can transform lives. In this episode, we will talk about the book Ho'oponopono, The Hawaiian Method of Improving Reality by Joe Vitale and Ehaliakala Hulen. This amazing method, originating from Hawaii, will open a new perspective on emotions, thoughts, and interactions with the surrounding world. You will learn about the Ho'oponopono mantras and simple practices that can help you release negativity, foster harmonious relationships with yourself and others, and achieve inner peace and understanding. Let's dive together into the world of Ho'oponopono. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our exciting upcoming episodes. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below the video. Thank you for choosing us as your literary companion. Let's embark on a journey of self-discovery and enlightenment together. The Ho'oponopono, the Hawaiian Method of Improving Reality, is a remarkable book that offers a profound and insightful approach to consciousness and overcoming life's challenges. Authors Joe Vitale and Ehaliakala Hulen provide readers with extraordinary and simple tools that can significantly alter one's perspective on life. The key principle of Ho'oponopono is taking responsibility for everything that happens in our lives and recognizing that our thoughts and emotions create our reality. Here are some essential tips from the book. Repeat the Ho'oponopono mantras. I'm sorry. Thank you. I love you. Please forgive me. To free yourself from negative thoughts and emotions. Purify yourself from negativity by becoming aware of your emotions and thoughts. Identify any negative emotions or beliefs present in your consciousness. Forgiveness. Practice forgiveness towards yourself and others to let go of resentments and grudges, leading to a deeper understanding of yourself and those around you. Cultivate compassion and empathy by putting yourself in the shoes of others, nurturing constructive relationships. Apply Ho'oponopono to improve your relationships with others and create a more harmonious atmosphere in all aspects of life. Be mindful of your thoughts and emotions, understanding their impact on your life and environment. The book Ho'oponopono, The Hawaiian Method of Improving Reality, presents a deep and transformative view of our inner reality and its influence on the external world. This method allows you to cleanse your mind and heart from negativity, conquer fears, and find harmony. It can be beneficial for those seeking simple and effective practices to enhance the quality of life and develop their inner world. Always remember the power of books and the power of your consciousness. Let books be your faithful companions in life, inspiring and transforming you. Until we meet again on our channel, take care of yourselves and your mental well-being, and allow books to unveil incredible realms of possibilities before you.